In this tutorial I will show you how to fix the problem where your Instagram Reels are lagging. If you have a problem while scrolling through Instagram Reels but they're lagging, I will show you how to fix this problem. First, open the Instagram app and go to your Instagram profile page. Tap on the three lines at the top right and select Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down until you can see a Data Usage and Media Quality option. Here you are going to see two different options. If the first option is enabled, then that may be the reason why your Reels are lagging. So disable the first option here. Another thing that may cause the problem is the app cache. So go to the home screen, tap and hold the Instagram app. Then tap on this icon here. Go to Storage and clear cache. If this does not solve your issue, then reinstall the app to fix that issue. Uninstall Instagram completely from your device and go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and install it one more time. If it still doesn't fix your problem, then you may have a slow or unstable internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable. That is how you can fix the issue where your Instagram Reels are lagging.